Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
Okay.
Hold on, wait, actually I can make the spin.
Does that look any cool?
Hold on, let me turn the fan on to...
It's going a little fast.
Hold on.
Hey, it's going a little
Bit more. Face I'm recording. Face tilted up a bit more. And go.
Can you turn on my headphones? Turn on my I'm the only one in here, so I'm gonna turn on my own headphones for myself. Thank you. You're welcome.
I messed it up.
What, but with both hands? Well, hold on, like
I'm a silhouette, and are you right behind my head?
yeah.
Okay, cool. I don't think you can see any of that. But
If I did like this.
is this creepy? I feel like this is really creepy.
I feel like it'd look funny though.
It's like I have a big nose.
Let's see how that looks.
Hello. I'm on the way.
Recording just so we can test it. There we go. Let's try that again.
I am on the way.
Hold on. Position. Like, look, see this?
You have to. No, I can't even see your arms, dog. No. Wait, what if. Wait, your shadow. Start wiggling your shadow.
Hold on.
No, that's. Like sideways.
What do you mean sideways?
I mean, perpendicular arm swinging. Like, it doesn't look like it's waving anything.
Well, I don't know how to...
Dude, just wiggle. I don't even care how. Yeah, like that. I feel like we should use that.
Is this good?
That looks funny. Recording. Trying to make microwave pop.
Oh, let me reset that. Now it's recording. Wait, no. What are you doing? Why are you trying to throw it at the camera?
Oh, dude, watch. It's gonna transition from your hair doing this, and I'm gonna go down, and I'll rip it open.
Why would you?
Okay, cool. Wait. Okay. Now.
Taking out the plastic. Put.
You have to do it really fast.
Take it out the. Oh, take it out the
Not
plastic.
like take it out of plastic.
Take it out the plastic.
Okay, cool. That.
Parts the.
Yeah.
So let's get cracking.
Exaggerate. No, like you're.
Alright then. I got recording.
Go.
I am now. Put the pass. Now do it more aggressively. It's recording.
A little glass dish in the microwave.
No. Go. Oh wait.
Is it on?
Go. It's recording right now.
The door to the microwave. What is wrong with you?
Shake it a little bit. And go. Insert the packet. Why is it bright? Insert the packet. Insert set the power to pop. So put it in at 1.5.
No, I'm gonna put like buttons. Is it on?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
recording right now.
Go for 1. Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
You see-
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. I feel like we should,
Now we're recording. All right.
we should do the arm dance. With glasses.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Wait.
No. Then I spring it back to you. Then you spring it back to me. And then I spring it back to you.
How about I throw it at the phone?
Yeah, try hold it. Trying to make microwave.
Still burning. Okay. That is some
It's not supposed to be open yet, though. Steamy popcorn. Now take the popcorn out.
Take the pop.
Go.
Recording.
Go.
I'll burn my fingies.
It's recording.
I opened up the package.
Just do something right now.
Recording right now?
Yeah. That has to be faster. No, now with the back closed to you.
What I'm gonna do?
Go.
And I'll do this?
Go.
Ready?
Yep.
I burned it. Recording?
Yep.
I'm giving up.
Popcorn.
Just say it again.
I'm done making popcorn. I'm giving up making popcorn.
Ice water?
Go.
Quit it. No, stop. Go.
Oh, that said popcorn. How could I miss that?
Yeah.
Wait.
Give me the phone afterwards.
Hey. No, I like mine better.
Okay.
Alright.
Go.
Turn it. Make microwave.
Go.
Make popcorn in a microwave.
Go.
Guys, if we stop at the same exact time, I can't understand anything. Shut up.
Shut up.
Okay. What did we say? Alright, I like it. Turn it.